Hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining how to create new partition in Windows 10 or Windows 11 and how you can create a new drive. So right now, as you can see in my computer, my only local disk drive, and because I only have one, I want to create some extra partition so that I can store some different kind of data on it. And if you have the same concern, just follow these few simple steps. So my local disk C have around 430, 400, 343 gigabyte of free space, and I will create a new drive by the name local disk E with 10 gigabyte of space. So the size of the space can be of different amount and it depends on your end. So as for me, I want to create a new partition of 10 gigabytes. So first, we have to make a right click on our Windows icon and we have to directly go to disk management. And as we can see here, we will see all the kind of boxes that says 100 MB of healthy EFI system partition, our C drive, and healthy recovery partition. So we have to click on our C drive, right click on it, click shrink volume, and it will start calculating the space. So we have to wait until we get to the next box. Okay, so the box should look like this, and once it comes up, it says total size before shrink in MB, size of available shrink space, enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Okay, so we have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB, and so my desired amount, as I have said, is around 10 gigabytes. So we have to enter the value here. And 1024 MB is equals to 1 gigabyte. So I will take in a round figure, and thus I will enter the value of 10,500. Okay, so it will be somewhere around 10 gigabyte. And then we will click shrink. And once it will be done, you can see that around 1025 gigabyte has been created, and it says unallocated, which means 10.25 gigabyte of space have been free out from the C drive. So now we have to create a new drive from this unallocated space by making a right click on this unallocated space, click on new simple volume, and then click on next. Now if you want to create two more different partitions, you can have the space so that there can be two different drive with equal spaces. But since I only need one, there's no need for me to do that. So I have to click on next already. Now it says here that I have to assign a letter that I want to my to my drive. So I will go and take letter E, then click on next. So the file system here says NTFS, allocation unit size default, and the volume label is new volume. And if you want to change it, then you can also change it. So as for me, I don't want to change it. I don't want to make changes, so I have to click next. And we're finished. So as you can see that we have now already created new drive, a new partition that will also appear here. So we have now successfully created a partition and a new drive. So did you find this video helpful? If yes, then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.